Principles of the Toyota Production System, TPS. 1. Just in time, G. Produce and deliver products only when needed, minimizing inventory levels and reducing waste. 2. Jidoka, automation, design machines and processes to detect abnormalities and stop automatically, preventing defects and ensuring quality. 3. Continuous improvement, Kaizen, pursue ongoing incremental improvements in all aspects of operations, involving all employees in problem solving and innovation. 4. Standardized work, establish clear and standardized processes, methods, and work instructions to ensure consistency, efficiency, and quality. 5. Respect for people, value and respect employees, fostering a culture of teamwork, collaboration, and continuous learning. 6. Full system, enable production based on actual customer demand, triggering the flow of materials and resources through the value stream. 7. Jidoka, leveling, achieve a balanced and consistent production flow to minimize variation, optimize resource utilization, and improve customer responsiveness. 8. Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, involve all employees in equipment maintenance and improvement activities to maximize equipment uptime and overall equipment effectiveness. 9. Value Stream Mapping, analyze and visualize the end-to-end value stream to identify and eliminate non-value added activities and streamline processes. 10. Kanban, use visual signals to control the flow of materials, information, and work, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. 11. Overload, error-proofing, implement mistake-proofing mechanisms and devices to prevent errors and defects from occurring. 12. Single-minute exchange of die, SMED, minimize changeover time between different products or processes to enable flexibility and responsiveness to customer demands. 13. Handle, empower employees to stop production and signal abnormalities or quality issues, enabling prompt resolution and continuous improvement. 14. Gechi Genbutsu, go to the source, observe, and understand the actual workplace conditions to make informed decisions and drive improvement. 15. Kaizen events, conduct focused improvement activities involving cross-functional teams to address specific challenges and drive rapid improvements. 16. Value creation, identify and deliver value from the customer's perspective, aligning processes, products, and services to meet customer needs. 17. Flow and pull, design processes and systems to enable the smooth flow of materials, information, and work through the value stream, responding to customer pull signals. 18. Visual management, use visual controls, metrics, and displays to communicate information, monitor performance, and facilitate effective decision-making. 19. Supplier collaboration, collaborate closely with suppliers to establish strong partnerships, ensure quality, and optimize the supply chain. 20. TPS principles focus on eliminating waste, enhancing quality, optimizing processes, and engaging employees to achieve operational excellence, customer satisfaction, and long-term success.